Alright guys, alright guys. Let's get this going. Let's get this going. Let's get this going, guys. Let's get this going. Let's get this party started. Let's get this jump started. Okay, guys. Looking at Forex Factory, which is the first thing we need to do. We can see today is Tuesday. We have just orange folder today, and nothing serious. But on Wednesday we have PPI news. We have PPI news by 1:30. You can see it there, and by Thursday we have CPI as well, which is 1:30 as well. On Friday you also have some few news going on there. So I think my TikTok is back now. So I think I'll be trading. I'll be streaming afternoon section as well. But let's just get this comments. If you're streaming from anywhere, just let me know where you're at, and let's keep this going. Let's keep this going. Let's keep this going. Let's keep this going, guys. Let's keep this going. So up to our chat. Let me quickly go to our chart and let's start doing a breakdown on which pair is looking good and everything. Let's basically go to our chart and let's look at what's going on. So this is gold currently. This is the 15 minutes. It is currently pushing up, and gold is seems to be creating new highs by the second. Like it's just creating new highs and doing its own thing. And if I measure this one candle, you can see this candle is over 1,000 pips. Just this one candle has really moved 100 pips. That's crazy. That's really crazy, guys. Just know that if you're trading gold, just reduce your lot size. Just reduce your lot size because you're going to be having a lot of crazy moves on gold. So there's a probability that if price close above here in the next 1 minute, let's look at the 1 hour. Look at the 30 minutes. Look at the 4 hours. Okay, there's a possibility that if price close the way it is in the next few seconds, which has like that's when it's closing, possibility that the next candle will break down a bit and will pull up. So I think I will likely go for. I think this is early, but I think I will likely go for opportunities on gold this morning. I think I'll enter a buy when this candle closes and I get the rejection. I need the rejection first. So let's say I go. So I'll put a buy stop above here, but I need the candle to end and I need a bit of rejection to the downside first before I know what I'm doing. Stop loss is going to be wide. Just know that already. But I think I'm going to go for a position on gold. I need that candle to come down so I can get my stop loss. Yeah, I like the way it's pulling down. I like the way it's pulling down. It's too early. At least I want first 1 minute to do this thing. I don't want to jump too early into any trade. What's going on? Why not clicking? Alright, guys, this is what we're doing this morning. So let's see if we will get anything going on right here. This is what I have, like, this is basically what we're doing this morning. So let's see how it goes. Let's see if we get triggered in and we had an opportunity to play the trade. But if we don't get triggered in and the candle close and we get like a rejection, like a bullish weak rejection like this, the buy stop will still be valid, so we can get in from the next candle and anticipate price will break above and keep driving. You understand? So this is something else we can push through. Price already move over already, so if you want to move, so actually see move, but you just have to just watch it and know exactly what we're doing. Let's see. Might not get activated because of the way this price is moving. 30 minutes per just end up doing some rejection, rejecting this level to this point. So if you get a rejection to this point, then again we can get another opportunities for sell, because that will not give us a selling bias. As long as price close below this level here, then we can anticipate for a sell as well. But for now, I'm still in for buyers opportunities. I'm not in yet, but I'm looking to go for long. So let's just wait and see how that goes. Okay, guys. It seems like we're likely to get triggered. Please and please, if you're looking to enter this trade, use like the least lot size because it's a very wide one. I'm coming very soon. We'll start checking the drive and all, but let's also look at once it gets to 5 more minutes to the end of the candle, I will deactivate my buy stop. I also put it on the group, delete buy stop. Once it gets to So let's see, guys, 8 more minutes. Let's look at GJ. Let me do this. I need to open a different tab so I can look at it somewhere else. So I can monitoring gold somewhere else. So GJ is not doing much. Let me clear everything. For some reason, my keyboard is not working. I don't know why. I can't do those things. Okay, guys. I don't know why my keyboard is not working. I cannot operate it the way I want to operate it. I don't know why. Actually, I don't know why. Okay, guys. I'm deleting buy stop right now. So delete buy stop. I'm waiting. So I'm deleting buy stop. So if the candle close like the way it is right now on the 30 minutes, 30 minutes will be good for. We just still wait. What just happened is that price has created a resistance, a new resistance for us. So we have a resistance now. Let me take this out first. So just that price has created a new resistance, and we work on this as our support. This is what I'm seeing here right now. So let's just wait and let's just see. 2 more minutes to the end of the candle, guys. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait. So if this particular candle actually close like kind of weak bull around this level, trust me, I'm still considering the buy stop. I will likely still put the buy stop back in. But for now, let's see. Because let's see. There's momentum and price wants to push to the upside. And we'll get that. But I'll still have to put my tight. I'll still have to put like tight stop. So wherever this new candle form is low, that's where I'll put my stop loss. So hopefully it doesn't push down. You just do a small weak rejection and start going into the upside. That's basically what I want you to do. We have like few listen left. I'll use the same entry. Just the same entry I'll use. The same entry. Copy the same entry. Add the so that's basically. So let's see how it goes. I know from this exact point here to this candle should be like, yeah, I like the way it is. So let's just see how it goes. Let's see if it's going to play out well for us, and we look to go in. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Let's wait, guys. Let's see how it goes. Like I said, I put my buy stop back up here. But if it gets to like 5 minutes to the end of the candle and I don't get activated, I also delete the buy stop. Then what I'll do, I'll just wait for a strong bullish closure above the zone like this. Like if remaining 5 minutes, I'll wait for closing stronger. But I put my buy stop back. Then from there I'll just look to continue. I'll look to continue. Let's see. Yeah, just sit down and relax and see what happened. Let's sit down and relax. Volume looks like it's dead though, because price doesn't want to move. Price don't want to move at all. Asian high is a bit far, but I understand what you're saying. Like price will likely come back down. But looking at the way the structure is, I'm not in on the trade yet. I'm just waiting. So price will likely, I'm saying that price will likely fall around 200 pips. They're saying price will likely fall around 200 pips before pushing to the upside, which is possible, which I feel like can happen. But let's just see. Let's just wait and see how it plays out. Let's just wait and see how it plays out. Which can actually happen. Funny enough, looking at the way this particular candle is, which can actually happen. You get, it's possible that price will likely dump before looking to go up. So me, I'm just waiting to see a simple setup, and I'll just look to jump in when I see a simple setup. That's just it. waiting, guys. Sorry, I'm not talking. I'm actually occupied with my phone for a second, but I'll be back with you guys. All right, guys. I can see what gold is doing right now. So, um, hopefully, I believe like you guys, stop loss is deleted by now. But looking at the 30 minutes, I actually feel like the 30 minutes will likely bring in the volume. Looking at the structure from the 30 minutes now, so this is what I'm looking at. So I feel like the 30 minutes may actually bring in the volume, and we might actually start seeing a drive if price break above that high. So that's what I'm currently seeing. If price break above is current high, yeah, let's wait for the 15 minutes. You might actually start seeing some drive to the upside. So I can anticipate this based on the 30 minutes structure. That's what I'm seeing currently. That's what I am anticipating. But let's wait. Let's see how the 15 minutes close. If 15 minutes close bullish, like probably a bit bullish like this, to be good. So once the next candle breaks above the previous high, then I think it will be a good opportunity for us to 2 more minutes. Let's wait 2 more minutes. I think it will be a good opportunity for us to go long. But let's see how it plays out. Let's wait and see how it plays out. Okay, guys, the 15 minutes has end bearish. No, no, not what I was looking. Not the greatest closure. Not what I was looking for. You can see it's all this is just delivering weak rejection. There's a lot of weak rejection here. So there's nothing actually going on. Nothing going on. There's actually nothing going on. But I can see that price created a. Let's look at GJ. Okay. What I see that price created. Let's go back to 15 minutes. What I can see is that price created a low, but failed to break it. So what's going to happen now is that we're going to take that away, zoom on this, and I'll just mark up. I'll mark up the lows, and I'll just mark up this as my high. So this is what I have. This is basically what I have now. Nothing more, no confusion, no anything, no noise. This is what I have right now. So let's see. Let's see how this goes. So aside that, let's look at we can't just keep waiting for gold to play out. Why probably some other pairs is doing what we need to do. So let's quickly look at some other pairs and let's see what they are doing. Do you understand? Let's look at some other pairs. It's important as well.
Spotify Premium is what your ears deserve. With millions of songs and high-quality audio, treat yourself to limitless music. Get 2 months for 800 Naira now and cancel anytime. Tap the banner to learn more.
Looking at this, looking at the way this kind of move up, probably we should have gone for a sell position when this kind of close. Anyways, I was just considering buy because first of all, this one candle was already overbought, and probably have gone for sell. The way this when this 15 minutes close, like look for sales around here, push price to the downside. Probably that's what we have done. But let's wait, guys. Let's wait. I feel like an opportunity will cook up soon and good. I feel like an opportunity will cook up soon and good. So while we wait, let's take a look at what's going on volatility, and let's see if we could get any possible thing going on there. So this is a volatility 50. So this volatility 50 is not doing anything. It's currently just dropped down to the 8 hours. It's currently just retesting is low and it's currently rejecting that low. So we might likely see a rejection back to the upside from there. This 51x. So in order for us to look for any opportunities to go long, it's just a simple 3-step move we need. So since prices like this, all I want price to do is likely break above this level, just a 3-step move. So just 1, 2 from here, then we look to buy 3. This is what I want price to do. So if I get this, I'll look to this a trade because this is a break of structure. This is a price forming new structure low and bullish continuation. So this is what I want price to do in order for me to place a trade on the trade. That's for me to just go long. So let's drop down to this volatility 50 now. This 50. So 50 is consolidating, it's going sideways at the moment. Let's take a peep on gold. Gold is actually rejecting back. Okay, nothing to see here. Yes, wait, have I posted the lead buy stop? Okay, 9 more minutes. So let's wait. So let's continue what we're saying. This is Yeah, this is volatility 50. Nothing's going on here. Nothing actually is going on here. So we're just waiting to see how it plays out. So let's go back to volatility 100 and let's see what's going on there. So let's start with the 4 hours and let's see what's going. So 4 hours is consolidating, but price has gotten to it didn't really get there, but this is what price is doing right now. So for me to get to anything, if price wants to move in between this range, I need price to do something around here. So let me find my lows first. So this should be my lows where price will test and looking like I want to push up. So this is like a level that people look for buying opportunities to go up. So let me drop down to the lower time frame. Let me see what price did around that level. So that level is the level where price came down to retest and is pushing up. So what I want to do is now is that price has created a support level. Same 1 to 3 movement. I want price to break the low, come back up, then get any counter confirmation. Then I look to go long based off this level on our left hand side. You can see in the left price has rejected off that level before. And if I also take a look at my left again, I think I will find another level, another place where price rejects off that same level. You can see it price rejected off that same level in the previous. So that's the similar thing I want price to do here. Break down below, and but I can't look for buys around this level because of how price is rejecting, because price is failing to actually push up and continue his move. Let's look at gold again. If the gold is not doing anything we need right now. Okay, it's actually pushing up. We have about 7 more minutes to the end of the candle. Let's go to the 30 minutes. Where 30 minutes is doing nothing. If I measure the 30 minutes structure, what do I have there? Let's see how it goes. So I actually feel like gold will play out last. I actually feel like gold will play out last. So we just have to wait for the 30 minutes to close. Then we know exactly what we want to do. We just have to wait for the 30 minutes to close. 30 minutes closure is very crucial. It's very crucial for us. Let's wait for the 30 minutes to close. Okay, it's have to wait for the 30 minutes to close. Very, actually very crucial. So back to volatility, why we wait? We have about 6 more minutes, so we know what we're going to do in 6 minutes. So back to this way. So this is exactly what I want price to do. I've already told you guys what I want price to do. So this is where we wait and see how that that plays out. You guys, that's where we wait and see how that plays out. So going to the next one, this is volatility 10. 101x is 101x. So 101x is not really doing anything as well. It's just taking its time. But let's look at it from a bigger perspective. Let's go to a much higher time frame and let's see what we have going on. So looking at this from the bigger time frame, I know I have a high here and I know I have a low here. So well, there's not so much going on. If I jump down to the 4 hours, 4 hours should not be doing anything too. Price is just consolidating. Price is just consolidating, so there's nothing actually going on too on the 4 hours. If I drop down to the 1 hour time frame, price is also not doing anything. So what I can always see here is this range. If you can get a break, a small break, it reaches, then we can continue. So the same thing I spoke about, just this. You understand? Same thing I spoke about. So that's it. How's good doing? Okay, gold is pushing upward. So now gold has broken above the 30 minutes high. Broken above the 30 minutes high. So let's how many more minutes? 5 more minutes. So let's wait for 5 minutes and see how the candle closes, and we can decide from there exactly what we need to do. But for now, let's wait. So let's go back to our pair. Let's continue what we're breaking down. So this is volatility 75. Nothing's going on here. Volatility 10. Nothing's going on here. So what I have is price created a level here. So this is multiple rejection. So we have multiple rejection. I think we can actually get price dumping from this point. Looking at the way, let's look at the 8 hours first of all before we jump to conclusion. So the 8 hours has created a low double bottom formation here, and price is the overall trend is bearish. Price is actually falling downwards, but that's serving the double bottom. If I drop down to my 4 hours time frame, I just see that price is just getting into just testing a level where you tested before and rejected from as well. So if I just drop down to 15 minutes, I need to see what the 15 minutes is doing because every time frame has its own. So the 15 minutes is giving me like price is trending upward gradually, but what I need price to do now is it seems like it has created a low here. So the same thing I'm looking for in the 15 minutes is the same setup I'm looking for. I just need price to break below retest, then I can look to sell if it wants to push to the downside. So that is what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. So if I get that, then we're good to go. So the goal is 3 more minutes to go. Gold is breaking the 15 minutes high, it's pushing upward. So let's see if possible it can break above this high. We can look for opportunities and how we can get in on gold. So that's basically what we're looking at right now. That's basically what we're looking at right now. So let's continue from GJ. Sorry. Volatility. Let's see. So this is volatility 25.1x. There's nothing going on here right now. Just that price is moving upwards, and nothing going on here. Let's see. Let's drop to the 8 hours. So 8 hours should be consolidating. Remove drawing and let's zoom in a bit. So it's consolidating. If I go to the 4 hours, I can find a high in the 4 hours time frame. So I need a break of this structure. I need price breaking above this level. I need price actually breaking above this level. So let's see a break and a retest. Let's see price breaking this level and retest. It's just the same thing. Let price break above here, retest here, and we look to buy. Everything is patient. We have to wait for the setup to play out. Then we look to go in. So that's it. You can definitely you lose some, but trust me, at the end of the day, you always be on top. You always be on top. So which one is next? Which one is next? Which one is next? Which one is next? So this is what C25 is already playing out. It's falling. So nothing we can do. We just have to wait for. Okay, I marked up this before. Did I? Yeah. Okay, we just need price to come back to retest again. We need another retest. Price should come back up to retest this level. Then we look for opportunities like on retest on the lower time frame. Let's see if we can get another retest on the lower time frame. Then look to sell. So that's what we're looking for right now. That's what we're looking for. But 30 is pushing up. But let's look for our levels. Let's look for where price can likely come to. Okay, gold is breaking above. Okay, guys, let's hold on for this, and let's go back to gold and let's work with gold because gold is breaking above now. So it's looking like we'll likely get our entry and our confirmation sooner than we expect. So we'll likely get something soon. Gold is cooking for us. So let's get ready for that. Hopefully it doesn't move too high. Hopefully it don't move too high, but look looking to buy gold. This should be like how the entry should look like. Stop loss should be like below here. Okay, price has closed. Buy stop should be above. Um, let me see. Let me copy this first. Let me send it out. Okay, guys, let me copy this first. Let me send this out to the group. And now let's copy entries. Let's copy entries, guys. All right, guys, I have everything placed right now. So let's I have everything placed. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully, we get triggered and we make some money. Waiting, guys. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, guys. So we're not yet triggered, but it seems like we're going to get activated soon. So the 5 minutes, I think the 5 minutes has ended. So I like how the 5 minutes candle close. So let's see if the next one will push us in. Let's see if the next one will push us in. Let's see if the next one pushes us in, guys. So almost triggered, guys. Almost triggered. Almost triggered, guys. We will likely get activated soon on this trade, and let's see how it goes. Go will likely activate us soon. So let's see how it pushes when it does. I'm waiting, guys. We're just close to getting triggered, guys. Very close to getting triggered. Very close to getting triggered. So let's see. Let's see. This trade not ready. I don't think this trade. I don't think gold is ready for us today. I don't think gold is ready for us today. I don't think gold is ready for us today, guys. I think gold is ready for us today, guys. Now, if anything, price has created what a support level here. If anything, since this price is way too overbought, if anything, if this candle now closes bearish, since price has created a support level, if you can get that bearish candle closing below like this, then we can look for opportunities to sell. So this will be the next possible idea, since price is like overbought and is failing to push above. So this will be the next possible idea, and we would like to see how we can jump on that. But we need closure first. So we have like 5 more minutes to the end of the candle. So let's see how that plays out. Four more minutes, guys. 4 more minutes. Okay, guys, 2 more minutes, and then we'll know what we're going to do. Delete buy stop, delete buy stop, guys. Let's remove this first and just wait. Because it's closing the way I like, so this is good. So let's look at it from the 5 minutes. Let's see what the 5 minutes is doing. Okay, this is good. This is actually good. So let's get ready, guys. Let's get ready, guys. I think goes basically doing ups and down right now. That's what it's basically doing. Might need to slow down, slow down, so I can place a trade. Slow down. Okay, I like the fact that it came down to play the low first. So I want to now push up instead of just pushing down. I want to push up first. Then if it does, then we don't need. Unless I look to get in when it breaks. Let me see. Unless I look to get in. The only thing I can do now is look to get in. If I don't get that retest, if the price doesn't push up now, I will look to get in. Yeah, that's better. So what I'm going to do is, how many people from this to this? Just 5 people. So I'll adjust my entry here. My stop loss will be around here to 8 people. So this is the trade. So that's the break of the 1 hour low. So if it breaks the low, I expect it to like keep pushing down. So that's the idea of it. And now price has break it down. So I don't expect price to break its own low again and go up. One second, guys. I'll be back. All right, guys. The trade is active. Trade is active, guys.
Ready to upgrade your music? Spotify Premium lets you listen to your favorite songs, albums, and artists nonstop, online or offline. Rejoin now for 2 months for 800 Naira and cancel anytime. Tap the banner to learn more.
I'm expecting volume. I expect price to like push to the downside. Volume. I expect price push to the downside. Let's see if we get that move. Let's see if we get that move. I don't have a outrageous stop loss. Normally I'm setting my stop loss like above here or something, which is 40 pip. Or I don't know. I'm expecting volume to come in and probably just push it price something. But what's going to happen is that I'll manage my if this candle start breaking is high, this 5 minutes high, I'll look to close some position. You get. I'll manage my stop from there. Let's see, guys. I don't know if I like it's approaching the last minutes for the hour. Like the hourly count is about to end. I don't like the fact that I was currently doing. So I wanted to drive now. All right, guys, we're getting the move. We're getting the move. We're getting the move, guys. We're getting the move. Go risk free on the trade, guys. Go risk free on the trade. Go risk free on the trade, guys. Let's see if we can get 20. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's see if we can get 20 on this trade, guys. Let's see if we can get 20. 20 is good, 20 is good. The 5 minutes also close below this level. Might get stopped out, guys. Might actually get stopped out. Very close might be. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Another win, another win. This is definitely another win for us. Definitely another win for us. $20 guys. $20 in profits. 20 in profits. That it came very close to stopping us. 20 in profit. 20 in profit, guys. That's a win. That's a win, guys. That's another win. That's another win for us. We waited. We had a couple of opportunities that played out. I'm closing it though. I'm closing it. I'm closing at 20. I'm not holding it. I'm not holding anything because this trade was doing anyhow. So I close it. So it gave me even drawdown. It gave me like 10 pips drawdown. So I'm closing it. I'm closing it, guys. But you try to move my move, guys. My move. What is it? I've had my fair share and I'll call it a wrap So this it's I waited for an hour, over an hour to get one setup, and it played out. We got the setup we needed, and it played out. If we have entered it earlier, would have been done and dusted with it since. Probably if I entered it like around here, I'm not waiting for this low, and then I have to put my stop like above this 5 minutes down, then enter it from here. Then we'll have gotten easily gotten 20 30 pips. You understand? I've gotten 30 pips, but we have gotten 20 already. Like before the move around here, when price is dancing, I've gotten 20. So that's it. The price is even rejecting at this point because this is basically the last 1 minute of the count. Price is rejecting. So, anyways, this is where I run it up for. This is where I run it up for the day. So I'll see you guys. You see what we see, guys. You see, guys. You see, guys. Let me see. Okay, there's nothing going on today, so I will see you guys tomorrow, and I'm streaming tomorrow as well. So peace and love, and thank you all for streaming, and that's it.